Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how to make this very simple meal. So we're going to be making Italian sausage pasta. It's another perfect recipe for when you don't want to be in the kitchen doing too much and you want to get in and out but still have an absolutely delicious meal to eat. So let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so we're gonna start by cooking our sweet Italian sausage first. You can use sweet Italian sausage, or if you want to mix it up and use some spicy Italian sausage with it to give it a nice spice, you can. And basically put it in your oven, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You're gonna cook the sausages for about 40 minutes until they're perfectly cooked. Okay, so while the sausages is cooking, in a frying pan, I'm gonna saute some veggies. So I added a few tablespoons of butter, and to the butter I'm adding some chopped up onion, some green bell peppers, and a few cloves of minced garlic. And we're gonna cook that for about 3 minutes. Let the veggies soften and start to caramelize just a little bit. So after the veggies is soft and slightly caramelized, we're gonna add in some tomato sauce and also one can of diced tomatoes. Okay, so give that a mix to mix the sauce and the tomatoes with the onion and pepper mixture. Okay, you guys, and while that is warming up, I'm gonna season the sauce a little bit, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of sugar. So I'm adding the sugar first. The sugar is to cut down the acidic taste from the tomatoes, and yeah, it's gonna make it taste even better. So add in some sugar, and then we're gonna season it with I added some garlic powder and some salt into mine. You can also add onion powder and black pepper, or whatever you need to make your sauce taste right. So taste the sauce and see what you need to add in it. So after you perfectly season it, we're gonna let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let it get nice and hot. Let it thicken up a little. So once the sauce is finished, you're gonna take it, and I've already cooked my pasta. I'm using ziti pasta. You could use penne pasta, whatever you'd like to use. You could use spaghetti. It will be good with this as well. So I'm gonna take my sauce and just pour it into the pot with the pasta, okay, and give that a good mix. Mix everything together pretty well. And you're gonna want to taste the sauce with the pasta one last time to make sure your seasonings is right. And so if you need to adjust any seasoning, go ahead and do it right now. So if you need some more salt or any of those, okay. So once your pasta is tasting right now your sausages should be fully cooked. So I'm getting my sausage out of the oven and I'm just gonna slice them up, okay. And once I'm finished slicing up my sausages, I'm just gonna add that in with the pasta. Give it a good mix the sausage in with the rest of the dish, and it tastes so good just like this without adding anything else into it. It's the perfect weeknight meal when you don't feel like cooking a lot, okay. So you can stop here, or you could go ahead and add in some cheese. So I'm adding some mozzarella cheese and just mix it into the dish as well until it's well combined and melted and ooey gooey and delicious. And that's it, you guys, for this perfect weeknight meal. So easy to make. The longest part in making this dish is actually cooking the Italian sausages because I baked them. So once that's done, this meal is ready in like 30 minutes and it's so delicious. So yeah, it's one of my favorite quick go-to meals. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you give the recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.